This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Disconnect the mass airflow sensor from the air filter housing cover. Loosen the air inlet duct hose clamp on the filter housing cover side. Remove the screws securing the housing cover, then remove the cover. Remove the filter element and make sure the filter housing is free of debris. Install the new filter element. Then install the filter housing cover and screws. Tighten the screws securely, but do not over-tighten them. Tighten the hose clamp on the housing cover. Connect the mass airflow sensor.